Okay, well, we have our delivery today of the 1,000 pieces from US. And we have Stella here, our assistants, Miggy, Heine. You just kicking back? Yeah, baby. Originally $59, and then they made it at 83% off. They didn't sell it, that's why we have it. So we have $59 USD clothes that just didn't sell. This is last season. High quality products. That's the Atlanta Falcons football. Atlanta Falcons, there it is. This is, you can see, these are Target, one of the bigger department stores. Some people want to be a little bit more French, they call it Target, but Target brand. Brought up one of the biggest box stores in the US. You got a bunch of cute leggings. I know you'll be shopping in these things. But you'll be selling this by the thousand. And spent 4 or 5. Keep that out.